Imagine a tool that can revolutionize your projects, whether they are amateur or professional. Imagine a laser level that exceeds all your expectations, allowing you to save time, improve your accuracy, and turn your work into a smooth and stress-free experience. The Bosch Professional GLL 380C laser level is much more than just a tool. It's a cutting-edge technical solution designed to meet the demands of the most rigorous craftsmen, as well as the most discerning enthusiasts. Stay with me. You're going to find out why this device could very well become your best ally. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description right now to learn more about its unique features. See hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers and order yours at the best price right now. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. This product is ideal for construction professionals, craftsmen, and DIY enthusiasts. Demanding individuals looking for maximum precision and increased efficiency in their projects. Perfect for indoor work such as tiling, installing partitions, or shelves. It's suitable for anyone who wants flawless results quickly. This laser level stands out for its exceptional ability to simultaneously project one horizontal line and two vertical lines. Whether you're working on flat surfaces, flat, sloped, or complex surfaces, this laser level redefines the standards of precision, with a margin of error of only 0.2 per meter. Imagine being able to align, level, and adjust your installations without constantly having to reposition your device. You save valuable time and achieve flawless results. Worthy of the greatest professionals, but that's not all. What makes this device unique is its built-in intelligence. Thanks to CalGuard technology, it continuously monitors its own calibration. A simple red LED alerts you immediately in case of a problem, and you can check the details on your smartphone using the Bosch Levelling Remote app. No more fumbling or guessing. Every mistake is identified and corrected in the blink of an eye, ensuring always perfect results. And what about its connectivity? The Bosch Levelling Remote app doesn't just diagnose problems. It allows you to control your device remotely, activate or deactivate laser lines, adjust their power, or even switch to standby mode without having to touch the device. The Bosch Levelling Remote app allows you to control the effects of the light, all of this from your smartphone, giving you unprecedented flexibility and efficiency. You're in control, literally, at your fingertips. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. The GLLL also stands out for its robustness. Made of stainless steel, aluminum, and steel, it's ready to take on the most demanding environments. With an IP54 rating, it is resistant to dust and rain effects, and to water splashes, which makes it ideal for construction sites and outdoor work. Even in the toughest conditions, this device remains reliable and efficient. And that's not all. Bosch has thought of everything to provide you with a seamless experience. Thanks to its dual power supply, you can choose between a 12V lithium-ion battery for maximum runtime or standard AA batteries, with an included adapter. This flexibility ensures that you'll never run out of power, no matter the context. Add to that an impressive range of up to 30 meters, and you have a tool that can handle a multitude of applications. Tiling, window installation, drywall construction, floor creation, and much more. Every detail of this device is designed to simplify your work. These two tripod threads provide optimal compatibility with various mounts, while these laser lines allow you to work in all directions without interruption. You can even project diagonal lines in lock mode for projects that require custom angles. So, don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it now at the best price and truly revolutionize your daily life. Now, I suggest we recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, exceptional precision, with a tolerance of 0.2 mm per meter. Perfect for very accurate results. Advantage number 2, versatility of use, suitable for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts thanks to its multiple laser lines and range. Advantage number 3, advanced connectivity, remote control, and customization through the Bosch Levelling Remote app. Advantage number 4, durability, made from a tough material with an IP54 rating against dust and water, making it suitable for demanding job sites. Advantage number 5, dual power supply, works with 12V lithium-ion batteries or AA batteries for increased flexibility. Advantage number 6, reduced handling, the laser lines minimize frequent repositioning. Advantage number 7, easy to transport and includes accessories, a sturdy case and battery adapter are provided for immediate practical use. Now let's move on to a few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, limited range of 30 meters. Less suitable for large outdoor construction sites without additional receiver. Drawback number 2, reduced visibility outdoors. Red lasers can be less visible in bright light compared to green lasers. Drawback number 3, it requires an app to take full advantage of all its features. It might be challenging for those who aren't comfortable with technology. You got it, the Bosch Professional. The GLL 382C laser level is not just a product. It's a revolution in the world of construction and renovation. Whether you're a professional looking to optimize your job sites or a passionate DIYer wanting to achieve expert level results, this tool is made for you. Click the link in the description to get the best price. Check out the hundreds of customer reviews and transform the way you work starting today. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to discover the best products we specially select for you every day. With that, I sincerely thank you for your attention and hope to see you very soon.